The Nuer people, one of the largest ethnic groups in South Sudan, are renowned for their rich cultural heritage, complex social structure, and turbulent history. With approximately 1.5 million speakers in South Sudan and an additional 154,000 in Ethiopia, the Nuer language, also known as Naath or Naath, belongs to the Western Nilotic group of the Nilo-Saharan languages. This linguistic and historical overview delves into the Nuer's dialects, migrations, and interactions with neighboring groups, shedding light on their enduring legacy. The Nuer language is spoken across several states in South Sudan, including Jonglei, Unity, Upper Nile, Northern Bahr al-Ghazal, and Warrap, as well as in the Gambela region of Ethiopia. It is divided into two primary dialect clusters, Western Nuer and Eastern Nuer. Western Nuer, spoken west of the White Nile in South Sudan, encompasses varieties used by 7 Nuer sections: Bul, Lek, Jegai, Adok, Nyong, Ador, and Jikani. The dialect is also referred to as Bentiu, named after the central town in the territory of its speakers. Eastern Nuer, found east of the White Nile and in Ethiopia's Gambela region, includes 4 dialects: Gawar, Lu, Jikani, in South Sudan and Ethiopia, and the Nasir dialect, which serves as the basis for Nuer orthography. Additional dialects, such as Dor, Abagar, Sien, Thognath, Thiang, Bul Chol, Jage, Lak, Leek, and Dok, highlight the linguistic diversity within the Nuer community. The Ethiopian Jikani dialect closely resembles the Nasir dialect, illustrating the interconnectedness of these linguistic varieties. The Nuer are believed to have originated as a section of the Dinka people, migrating from the Gezira region to southern Kordofan, a harsh and arid land they named Kwer Kwong. Over centuries, isolation and interactions with Luo peoples transformed them into a distinct ethnic group. In the late 18th century, the arrival of the Bagara, accompanied by slave raids, forced the Nuer to migrate further south and west into what is now Bentiu. By 1850, subsequent raids, flooding, and overpopulation prompted their eastward expansion into the fringes of Ethiopia. Along the way, the Nuer absorbed and displaced various groups, including the Dinka, Anuak, and Burun. The Nuer's territorial expansion often led to conflicts, particularly with the Dinka, South Sudan's largest ethnic group. Anthropologist Peter J. Newcomer suggests that centuries of population growth and expansion fueled these raids and wars, highlighting the similarities between the two groups. British colonial expansion in the 19th century curtailed the Nuer's aggressive territorial advances, bringing relative stability to the region. In contemporary history, the Nuer have faced challenges related to disarmament and intertribal conflicts. In 2006, the Nuer White Army, an autonomous group of armed youths, resisted disarmament efforts by the Sudan People's Liberation Army, SPLA. The confiscation of Nuer cattle by the SPLA devastated their economy, leading to prolonged resistance until mid-2006. The group re-emerged in 2011, targeting the Murle tribe, the Dinka, and even UN peacekeepers during the 2011 to 2012 tribal clashes. The Nuer's history is a testament to resilience and adaptability. Their linguistic diversity reflects their expansive migrations and interactions with neighboring communities. While historical conflicts and modern struggles have shaped their identity, the Nuer people continue to uphold their cultural heritage, contributing to the vibrant tapestry of South Sudanese society.